All right, hi everyone. This is the week two introduction video, just going through making sure you're clear on what's happening in week two for algebra. We are starting math, right? So we're going to be starting chapter one. So you'll see a few things in here. This video will be first, again, hopefully you're watching it first. But then there's the checklist. So I think it's easy if I click on that and talk through everything because it's all here in one place. So hopefully you look at this checklist as well. And you can see everything you need to do for week two. So on Monday, you are watching the one-step equation video notes. Only about 6 to 8 minutes long, shouldn't be too bad. And then there's a short exit slip also in the Monday folder. 2 problems where you're answering some one-step equations there. And of course, then each week we're going to be doing a Flipgrid video, so you want to try to start that right away Monday using your Flipgrid app, answering the questions to week two. Then Tuesday, you're just going to work on the one-step equations assignment, with Wednesday being two-step equations, so you're watching some video notes on that, and the exit slip, just like Monday. Then Thursday, completing the two-step equations assignment, and lastly on Friday is the week two quiz on one and two-step equations. Okay, and you'll see here now we have some extra resources. If anything's confusing to you, of course, contact me. But if you're looking for a little bit more on your own, there's a couple other YouTube videos here: addition, subtraction, one step; multiplication, division, one step; and then some two-step equations. Someone else explaining it, maybe they'll be more clear than me in a way or somehow, but that's there as well if you need it. So that's pretty much it for week two. I do want to make sure you look at the chapter one overview because it goes over everything in the chapter that'll be the next few weeks, right? So as we look at this quick, there's learning goals there, the learning activities that we'll be going through, and some assignments and assessment type things that you'll see as well throughout the chapter. So making sure you're contacting me with any questions you have, and hopefully you have a good week too. Thanks.